In this video, we're going to show you how to download Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition for your PC. Alright, so we are now in Steam, and you need to be logged into Steam. This is the easiest way to do so, but I'm going to stop you here for a second and tell you that this is not free. Downloading and playing it on your PC is one thing, and we're going to show you how to get it, but you need to pay, right? With that said, go to the search bar here on the upper slightly right corner of the screen where the search bar is under wishlist over here, and just type in Age of Empires. And you're going to see a few options here. Age of Empires 4. You're going to see here Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition, which is the game that we're looking for. Click on that, and you're going to be brought to their page. Over here, it says Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition. And scroll down a little bit, you can see buy Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition. As you can see here, it's $9.25 in Philippine money. This is roughly $20. Yeah, around like $18 maybe. Just click add to cart, right? And purchase for yourself. And then it's very straightforward for people who use Steam, and there's a lot of people, and I would assume you know how to do this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.